I will try to be short. My speech will be short because we are late now, so I don't want to be boring to you. First of all, I would like to thank the organization committee of 55th International HVAC Congress and Exhibition for my presence here. My name is Vasilis Zougos. I am a mechanical electrical engineer, graduated in National Technical University in Athens. I am also member of the board of ASRA Hellenic chapter. My age shows that my enough experience in mechanical and electrical engineering, which is mainly in all fields of engineering as maintenance, consulting, sales, and construction, which is my main activity. Let's start now, which I will develop the differences between project management and construction management. Let's start first with the project management. The project management people mainly are, the level of engineers are project manager, project director, and the top of the level is senior project director. Project management, what is the terminology and for what is used the project management, is the specific knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to deliver something of value. Project management involves leading team to hit certain goals and targets with a set time frame. This is very important to the project management, the time frame. We must be always on time to follow our schedules. The 5 stages of project management include, first of all, project initiation is how we'll start up a project. Planning for implement and finish the project, executions, monitoring, and closing. These are the first important stages of project management. Project managers are the people who coordinate and oversee the entire process of a project from start to finish. They make sure a project is completed on time and that final deliverables meet all the necessary requirements according to the local and international standards. Now we'll continue with the 7 C's of project management. First of all is the customer. Who is the customer that we will work with him? Competitors, capabilities, cost, which is the most important. The cost, where will go the cost of this specific project? Channels, communication with all other parameters of the project, and coordination. Coordination with the subcontractors, coordination with the suppliers, coordination with the main public local offices. The 7 steps of project planning provide an approach to ensure project success. These 7 steps are, first of all, define your goals and objectives. Set success metrics and criteria. Appoint stakeholders and roles. This is very important, to appoint good and efficient people. Set your budget. Also, this is very important. Align milestones, deliverables, and project dependencies. Outline your time and schedule. Share your communication plan. How to begin the project? First of all is to understand what we have to do, how we'll continue and how we'll proceed with the project. Second, we have to validate the project and discuss with the shareholders about this project. Assemble required resources, set realistic expectations. Don't say that I will finish this work in 1 month and then you will finish after 3-4 months. Set realistic expectations. Organize team and tools. This is very important, to organize very good team and to select very good subcontractors and also very good suppliers. And at the end, launch. How to close a project? First of all is to check with your QA/QC department that all the deliverables are according to the standards. Head of expectation and support responsibilities. Formalize closure and obtain sign-off from the project sponsor. The three types of project risk includes cost, schedule, and performance risk. The most important of this is the schedule risk. Now, let's continue now with to discuss a little bit about when we describe now what is the project management, what are the project managers, and now we'll continue with the construction management, CM. Construction management is the professional service that provides a project owner with effective management of the project's schedule, cost, quality, safety, scope, and function. Construction manager is compatible with all project delivery methods. The people that were working and the titles on the construction management is construction manager, is construction director, and the top is senior construction director. Construction management generally is in line with the project management, but the volume of work is less of project management because the work is divided by areas. Each big project is divided by certain areas. So in this project, there are working many construction engineers. Construction management is following plans, budget, schedules, but for separated areas. Each sub-area of the project has own cost control, budget control, and subcontractors. All these areas are linked together in order to have one good final project. All these areas are linked together for the benefit of the project. Main objective of construction management is to accomplish construction project efficiency and in line with the owner's goal by managing cost, scope, and schedule. Construction manager responsibilities span from a project start to finish. First of all is planning, is to make a plan, to check the drawings, how we'll proceed, budget it, to check the cost, material cost, subcontractor cost. Then we'll continue with the coordinating with all services together. I mean, services, for example, let's say mechanical services, electrical services, civil services. And at the end, we'll follow and we'll continue with the supervising. Key qualities of a construction manager. Okay, the most important is to be enthusiasm. Organization, team player, communication, optimism, work under pressure. This is very important because at site, on the constructions, the engineers are working always under pressure and problem solving, because in each project we don't find all the solution on the plans, on the schedule, on the studies. We have to put our ideas to resolve some problems. A construction Manager oversees the construction site and ensures construction is on schedule. Construction manager is based on the construction site overseeing work. Construction manager ensures quality standards are met and safety protocols are followed. Construction manager ensures construction is on schedule, keep the project moving forward smoothly. The key difference between a construction management and construction manager and project manager is, first of all, the level of authority. Actually, the project manager has highest and the most important level of authority to a project, the project manager. Then is the construction manager. A construction manager oversees all construction activities and reports to PM. The PM is more responsible for the project and managing matters beyond construction activity. That means project manager is here, construction managers are below. And all construction managers are reporting to the project manager. Construction engineering, all elements of other subdisciplines. Construction engineering uses all of the elements of the other subdisciplines within civil engineering, but are executed during the construction. Construction manager, on the other hand, is related to the implementation of construction techniques, project schedules, budget, and managing subcontractors. I would like now to continue with few minutes just to give you two examples for the project that I follow before few years. One project was in Doha, Qatar. The project name was Doha Oasis Project. It was one very huge project. For example, the budget, M&E, mechanical and electrical works for this project, the budget was $2 billion. This project had 5 different areas, were divided in 5 different areas. It was 1 tower, 1 mall, 4 basements, 1 theme park, and approximately 180 apartments. These 5 areas were divided. The project was one. So we had one project director. And then we have 5 construction managers. All these managers were responsible per each area. One manager construction for the tower. I was responsible at that time for the tower, another for the mall, for the apartments. These construction managers were together, working together and supporting to the project director. Another project now, which I'm dealing now, is in Athens. Is the project, the name of this project is V94. It's one building, approximately 15,000 square meters, with 8 floors and 3 basements, parking areas. Also, this project is divided with 2 managers, 2 construction manager. One construction manager is responsible for the upper floors, and the other construction manager is responsible for the garage. We have one construction manager for the garage because it's very sensitive, the controls for the fire protection systems. So the result for this means that the project, each project is divided for the fields, and each field has the construction manager, and the top is the project manager. Closing this subject, I would like to underline the difference between project management and construction management. For example, project management and construction management are related disciplines, but they focus on different aspects of a project. First of all, we have scope and focus of the project. Construction manager focus specifically on the construction phase. Project manager cover the entire project. Responsibility. Construction manager is responsible for is focused on the execution of the construction and supervises the subcontractors. Project manager manage the entire project, not just the construction aspects. Skills and expertise. Construction manager requires in-depth knowledge of construction techniques, materials, and safety. Project manager focus on skills like strategic, planning, leadership, and risk management. Tools used for the construction management area, the required tools are AutoCAD, BIM, and Primavera. For project management, the tools, the work in the tools are different. Is Microsoft Project, Asana, Trello, full reports, and financial tools. The most important in the project management activities and the responsibility is also the financial aspect of the project. In summary, construction management is subject of project management specific to the construction phase. Project management controls all phases and broader aspects of a project. Thank you very much.
I'd like to put this in a tight spot. Which is in your experience, the biggest failures or the biggest areas that a whole project or project management, from the project manager's point of view, from the construction manager's point of view, which are where the failures happen during the project?
I believe the most dangerous thing for the project is some mistakes which are followed from the construction managers. For example, they did some mistakes because they did some problems with the financial observation of the project. They did budget, but the budget sometimes are out from the final budget, which project manager knows, and project manager inform the client that the project, for example, will finish with $1 million, and at the end, because of these mistakes from the construction managers, the project will go up and will exceed the 1 million and will go 1.1 million, 1.2 millions, and then starts the big problems. And also, the second, but this is common, the project, all projects, they have some delays. I don't believe that there is project that finish in the time schedule of the beginning. All projects, they delay from half a year to one, I'm talking about big project, for a half a year to 1 year, 2 years. But this is, let's say, it's okay because everybody knows that the project will delay. The problem, the big problem is about the budget, about the money, who the owner had to put the hand to the pocket and pay more money about this project and about this calculation which had, and he did arrangement with the banks. He took some loans, some other facilities, and all these are going out from the main plan. Okay, Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, it is finished for those 20 years. I can express my gratitude for our presence and collaboration and very interesting presentation, very real problems, real potential solutions, and so on. And it is my pleasure about participation, certificates of participation, I have to distribute to you. Okay. So, first, Piotr Mesarevich. May I give you this one? Has successfully participated in all presentations of the paper. And that made me eyes, Marco Ball. Here. Okay. Okay. Andrei Burlatin. Then Robert Stefan visit you. Bosko Ivankovic. Vasilis Zolkos. Alexander Petrovsky. Ganema. Aleko Drugi. Umjesto njega je to možda grupa autonomezam